If you live in your camper full-time, getting on the internet can definitely be an issue. That's why we decided to get Starlink. Starlink hopefully is going to solve all of our problems. When Starlink came, it came in a nice box with very good packaging, and it comes with everything you need. It includes the base, the satellite transmitter, the cables, the wireless router. It's basically a plug and play type system that you can pretty much use anywhere. Setting up Starlink is really easy with the use of an app that is provided when you scan a QR code. Connecting cables is very easy as each end only fits in its necessary receptacle. Having a pole that holds the satellite transmitter like my neighbor is really the ideal situation, and eventually that's what we are going to do, so stay tuned for another video on that. For now, we're going to set up the transmitter on the ground and run the cable through the window in the camper so that we can get everything set up and get it going and connected. Before we set up the satellite transmitter, we're going to actually connect the wireless router, get everything plugged in on the inside before we plug it into the transmitter and get it set up on the outside. Having placed the transmitter on the ground, it is now time to actually get things to connect. Setting up the satellite transmitter is actually pretty easy because of the app. So you will have to scan the QR code to download the app so that you can get your transmitter in the correct location. Once you're free of obstructions and you get the connection, then it is time to do things like the speed test to see how well your Starlink is performing. We found the setup and installation for Starlink to be actually quite easy and the speeds to really be amazing. In fact, this worked way better than the audio on our recording device when we were filming this, which is why this video is now a voiceover. We hope that this video has been helpful to you and answered some of your questions maybe about Starlink. We really have really enjoyed this. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. You can also click on the playlist and check out other videos we've done. And you can also check out our website at www.befreebenson.com. And remember, doing things yourself, stepping outside the box, living in your camper off the grid, having Starlink so you're never without internet, allows you to be free. See you in the next video.